Look at him go. They're floating. They're floating. So freaking nice. Look at the height right there. And the platinum, boy. You already know that sucker goes crazy. Alright guys, so we are effectively back here working on the 6.0 project. I want to try to get rid of some of the stickers that are on this thing today. So I got some nice razor blades fresh off of Amazon. Look, plastic ones so they don't scratch the paint. A lot of this stuff's chipping up easily already, but I want to get those off the hood. I want to get all the old logos off the side. That way we're not representing somebody we ain't. And then try to do something. I've had a hard time finding these. Did they just paint over those? I wonder if that's what they did. I was having a hard time online trying to find the ones that are black already, but yeah, as you can see, we'll find something to do to replace those. But yeah, I just want to get this cleaned up. Also, got the air compressor out today so we can air up the tires, see if they're going to hold air at all. And yeah, we're just going to kind of play around. I'll kind of update you guys periodically on this build. So again, today, beautiful sunny day. It's a 2003, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that in the last one. And the cab lights look like they're already tinted too. So yeah, it's a good looking truck. It just needs a lot of love, right? But that's what's fun about it. Let's get into it, guys. Here we go. Man, that first logo peeled right off. These things work great. Look, even gets a little bit of grime off. Like I said, we'll get some polish, and we'll polish this sucker when we're done, but this thing's working great. Just pushing through there. And a nice little pull. That sucker's coming right off, ain't it? Super easy. Easy money right there. And then the tires, boy, the tank emptied out quick on this thing. And look at the tires. They barely even getting any air. These things must take a ton of air, but that's all right. We'll keep refilling the tank, trying to air these suckers up. And then next time we're down here, we can see how well they hold. So a little experimenting, but we'll get there. Let's keep on these logos. Okay, now shame on whoever put these stickers on the hood, because these are super hard to get off. They are fighting me the long way, but good thing the side ones came off super easy, so that was good at least. I'm gonna try to peel these off, and so that way I can get the right size ordered. And kind of wanted to pull the seat covers off too. Need to get a trash can over here so we can, I just want to see what kind of condition everything's in. I don't even know how these come off, and Ovi might even want them, but I doubt it. But we'll get them peeled off here and kind of just keep going on this thing. I'm just super excited. It's one of those things where I want to do everything at once, but one step at a time. Let's keep cooking. Well, I know this thing doesn't hold a ton of air. What, 6 gallons? So this is one load of that in that tire. It looks like it's aired up pretty decent. Gonna need a little bit more, and then one in the rear. So at least it's holding air. It's not a complete loss. So again, these aren't fully aired up just yet. I just wanted to try it and see, and already the truck sits so much higher. It is freaking cool. I love this thing. Can look inside of it. Just a big stepper now. The seat covers were actually pretty nice ones, honestly. Yeah, they were super old and tore up, but they had nice clips. They had nice snaps. Everything was really well done, but I like these seats a lot better. It looks super sick. The sunroof, I'm getting the windshield cleaned. I'm just doing odds and ends, just out here playing, having fun, but we'll see what we end up doing next. Yeah, I'm all over the place, as always. All right, so I'm getting set up down here, and I'm pulling out all the old trash and garbage out of this sucker, and just kind of seeing what final shape this thing is in. Go ahead and see. You can see the seats. Obviously, we've talked a little bit about that. The front, not too shabby, but the back, you can see all the old seat cushions are now out of it. All kinds of artifacts. Love finding cool stuff. The seats I thought were going to be good, except for that side. We got some sort of major damage. It looks like something ate away at the seats. Maybe some sort of battery acid or something. Man, that is a bummer, because I thought the seats were going to be in good shape, but that's clearly not the case here. But look at this weird thing. Maybe you can kneel down, move. We get that to some guy in the shop there, boy. And then got the head unit here. Got the dash that'll clean right up. It looks like it's in nice shape, don't it? A little Pioneer. Might be a double din. Back in the day, what a throwback, huh? So anyways, yeah, next thing we got to do is vacuum this sucker out and then start wiping stuff down. It might be one of them things where you need to Get some water on it first and then some Armor All. I don't know. This stuff is really dirty though. I wish we had a detailer. Yeah, anyways guys, let's keep moving. So yeah, even just wiping down these door panels with the Armor All, you can see that the carbon fiber is coming back intact. Boy, that looks hot. What about your Lambo? We got that 6.0 vibe going. Look at that stuff. Cleaning right up. Still got some more work to do, obviously, but I'm just trying to knock the initial dust down off this sucker. Maybe you can see this better. Can you see the carbon fibre? Look at it. It's cleaning up, guys. We got a lot of work to do. Just piece by piece. And we're back again. Time just keeps slipping away, but we got some brand new badges here for the 6.0. And if you can't tell, it moved from its original grave over there to this new grave over here. But Ovi and the guys down here did get it to fire up. He did block off the oil line for the turbo and got it jumped and started, and it moved. Probably wasn't very fast, but maybe we'll see if we can get it started here today. But the thing is, I want to put the badges on here. Look at it out of its spot, man. We can see it a whole heck of a lot better. It is covered in dirt and grease down here, but she is slapped together. The 37's out here doing big things. It looks big out here, don't it? But these should look a lot better than those. Look at that. These didn't even have the dang trim level on there on the original ones here, and now we got some, and these weren't cheap either. They're eBay specials, but they're like 80 or 90 bucks, which is crazy, but the quality, I can already tell, is going to be good. So we'll put these things on, see if they look any better. But yeah, we're just moving right along with this project. I don't know how long it's going to last, if I'm being totally honest with you guys, because we don't need it. And you guys didn't love the first video. No offense to y'all. If you're not into 6.0 stuff, that's fine. You can let me know. But yeah, let's get the badges on. Here we go. And just a little test fit here. We'll make sure that the prongs on the back here are going to go into the holes there. Looks like they're going to line up. Oh, that's going to look really nice, ain't it? So we'll just peel that adhesive backing off. Push that sucker on there. It's the little things, guys. I don't know why I get a kick out of this, but you know what? It makes me feel better. Wow. Look at how icy that looks, boy. Shining out here in the sun. So much better than the rattle canned, faded out old ones. Boy, that's a nice there. Boy, it looks fresh off the lot, don't it? All right, let's get these other ones on. Look at how much better this one's gonna look too. Oh, it's a little different, isn't it? That might be the 7.3 one. I don't know about that. And another one. Look at how good those look now. Original, OEM, look at that. So much better. But you should see, just look at how much glue residue is left on here. I even brought the heat gun to warm this up, but I didn't want to run the drop cord that far. But man, they definitely got a ton of silicone or whatever this glue is made out of on here. I'm not sure they're original. Like I said, it didn't have the trim level on there. But I'm trying to get these off of here. At least it's coming off better now, but wow. Those suckers are on there. And bam! This side is done too. Look at how good the driver's side looks. Wow, right down there. Oh my gosh, that looks so much better than them old, rusted out, clapped out, junked out ones. Wow, a little bit harder to get that stuff off, but we got them off, and by golly, that looks so good on there, don't it? Makes you want it. It can be yours if you want. Again, I'm not sure how long it's gonna last here, but we're down here having fun. See if we got keys in it, boy. Any juice to it? No juice. No juice on the turn. It don't start, boy. She's a no-start roller, but look at how the heck you gonna get up in here, son? Grandma ain't gonna be able to get up in here, boy. Whoa! About fell out, boy. Yeah, she's cleaning up well, isn't she? Except for the battery acid seat. Oh my gosh, in the cluster. It's in a cluster, isn't it? Oh, down we go. Yeah, locked, boy. So yeah, guys, what do you think? Is this thing worth salvaging, worth fixing up, worth cleaning up and putting it back together, or should we just send it down the road? The damage looks a little bit more excessive than I thought it was going to be, so we might take our money and run. It might be one of yours. I don't know. We'll see. Check on Marketplace. This thing might get listed. We might keep going. I don't know. You guys didn't love the first video. That's okay. Not everything is for you guys, I know, but let me know. We get a lot of new subscribers, but then the videos lately have been down, so I don't know if you love the content, if you hate it, if you're waiting to see where we go with it, whatever. But show some interaction, give us some likes, some comments, you know, help the little algorithm a little. She needs a little. And yeah, we love what we do here, guys, and it's all for you guys. So we'll go ahead and get back to you, get some updates on this, and we'll see you in the next one. God bless you all. Peace.